Today in this video, we'll be looking at how to solve type error in your TypeScript project without giving type to that specific variable. Like you might encounter some type error like type something is not assignable to type something like this, right? And some of the times, you don't want to give type because that could be time consuming, right? But you may have certain conditions that you wanna meet the deadline, or maybe you wanna just solve this error without giving type. In that case, there's a hack called unknown as any. It's actually a type, right? So you can just use as known as any to debug that error or to solve that error. Now, however, this is not a good practice because when you use this, you'll not be able to use the features provided by TypeScript for this variable, for the specific variable where you have specified unknown as any. But this hack could be useful when you don't want to give type to that variable, but you want to remove the type error, right? So in that case, it could be very useful. And because sometimes, the type can be very lengthy and it could be very time consuming, and if you start giving type to that specific variable, then the project could mess up, right? So in that situation, in that circumstance, this hack could be very useful for you. So this type can be actually used in any other variable, like right now it's an object, okay? So it can be used with any of the variable or a function as well. If you see here, I have given unknown as any to set filters here, and set filters is actually a function here. So this type can be used with any of the variables or functions. Um, so it can be used with any object in JavaScript, right? To make it more clear, right? With any variables like object or constant, maybe string or anything, function, anything. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you find it helpful, and if you find it helpful, please do like and subscribe this video so that I can get more motivation to make videos like this. And I'll be coming back with so many other tutorials regarding Next.js, React.js, TypeScript, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so many other things about front-end development. And until then, have a great day.